Imagine a factory where thousands of products are built every hour, but almost no humans are involved. In some of China's newest factories, this is not science fiction. It is simply how manufacturing works now. These facilities are often described as lights-out factories, a term used in the manufacturing world to describe production lines that could technically run in the dark, because robots do not need lighting to perform their tasks. While the lights are usually kept on for safety reasons, the idea captures something remarkable about these modern facilities. They are designed to run with minimal human presence. For decades, China became known as the world's factory because of its massive workforce. Millions of people worked in sprawling industrial zones producing electronics, appliances, clothing, and countless other goods for global markets. In many factories, workers stood along assembly lines, performing the same repetitive tasks for hours at a time, helping transform raw materials into finished products that would eventually be shipped around the world. But over the last 15 years, a dramatic shift has been taking place. Instead of relying entirely on human labour, Chinese manufacturers have begun investing heavily in robotics, artificial intelligence, automated logistics systems, and digital manufacturing platforms. These technologies are transforming factories into highly sophisticated technological ecosystems, where machines communicate with each other, and software systems coordinate the entire production process. In these new factories, robots assemble products, AI systems monitor quality, and automated vehicles transport materials through the building with perfect timing. Production lines operate continuously, sometimes 24 hours a day, with only a small group of technicians responsible for overseeing the system. What makes this transformation even more striking is the scale at which it is happening. China is not just experimenting with a few automated factories. It is building entire industrial networks designed around advanced manufacturing technologies. To understand what this new era of manufacturing looks like in practice, we need to step inside some of the companies that are leading the automation revolution. Inside China's robot-run factories. One of the most famous examples of China's automation push can be found inside the manufacturing complexes operated by Foxconn, the electronics giant responsible for assembling many of the world's smartphones and computer components for companies such as Apple. For years, Foxconn's factories became famous for their enormous workforce. Some of their facilities employed hundreds of thousands of workers who lived in nearby dormitories and worked long shifts assembling electronics destined for global markets. Today, however, that image is rapidly changing. In several Foxconn factories, rows of robotic arms now perform tasks that were once handled by human workers. These robots carefully insert components into circuit boards, tighten tiny screws, and perform delicate soldering operations with microscopic precision. Automated inspection systems examine each product as it moves along the line, using high-resolution cameras to detect defects that would be nearly impossible for the human eye to catch. The transformation becomes even more dramatic in the electric vehicle industry. Inside factories operated by BYD, one of China's largest electric vehicle manufacturers, the production floor is dominated by robotic systems that assemble cars with astonishing efficiency. Giant robotic welders move in synchronized patterns as they fuse metal panels together, sparks flying briefly before the machines reposition themselves for the next operation. Overhead, cranes automatically transport large sections of vehicle frames while robotic painting systems apply perfectly even coatings. Watching the process unfold feels almost like observing a choreographed dance between hundreds of machines, each performing its assigned task with flawless timing. China's smartphone industry is also pushing the limits of automation. The technology company Xiaomi has developed one of the country's most advanced automated smartphone factories, sometimes described as a dark factory, because the production line can run almost entirely without human workers. Inside this facility, robotic arms assemble smartphones while machine vision systems inspect every component. Sensors track the movement of each device as it passes through testing stations that verify performance, battery functionality, and structural integrity. The entire process is coordinated by intelligent software that monitors production in real time. In some cases, the factory can produce smartphones at a pace approaching one device every second. Automation is also transforming China's appliance manufacturing sector. At smart factories operated by Haier, industrial internet platforms connect machines, robots, and supply chains into a unified digital network. When a customer places an order, the system immediately calculates the most efficient way to manufacture the product, automatically adjusting machine settings and production schedules. Even battery production is becoming increasingly automated. Facilities run by CATL rely on robotic systems to assemble battery packs used in electric vehicles and energy storage systems. These machines handle delicate materials with extreme precision, while maintaining strict safety and quality standards. Across these industries, one pattern becomes clear. China's factories are rapidly evolving into highly automated environments where machines perform much of the physical work, and digital systems coordinate the entire operation. But the real secret behind these factories is not just the robots themselves. It is the intelligent digital systems that allow all of these machines to work together as one integrated manufacturing network. How AI, robotics, and smart logistics run these factories. To understand how automated factories operate, it helps to imagine the entire facility as a giant technological organism where every machine is connected through a digital nervous system. At the center of this system is artificial intelligence. Thousands of sensors installed throughout the factory continuously collect data about machine performance, product quality, temperature, vibration, and production speed. This information flows into centralized software platforms where AI algorithms analyze the data in real time. If a machine begins operating outside its normal parameters, the system immediately detects the change. Instead of waiting for equipment to fail, predictive maintenance algorithms schedule repairs before problems escalate into costly shutdowns. Machine vision technology also plays a critical role. Cameras installed along the production line inspect every product as it moves through the assembly process. These systems can detect defects that are nearly invisible to the human eye, such as tiny cracks, misaligned components, or irregular solder joints. If a problem appears, the defective item is automatically removed from the production line, while the system adjusts the manufacturing process to prevent the same issue from happening again. Logistics inside these factories are also highly automated. Instead of workers pushing carts or driving forklifts across the floor, fleets of autonomous robots transport materials between production stations. These robotic vehicles navigate using sensors and digital maps, ensuring that components arrive exactly where they are needed at the precise moment they are required. Even the factory's warehouse operates automatically. Towering storage systems contain thousands of components stacked on shelves that stretch high above the floor. Robotic cranes retrieve the required parts and deliver them to production lines based on instructions generated by AI software. Many companies also rely on digital twin technology, which creates a virtual replica of the factory inside a computer simulation. Engineers can test new production strategies inside this digital model before applying them to the real facility. Together, These technologies create factories that function more like intelligent ecosystems than traditional industrial buildings. Machines communicate with other machines. Software constantly adjusts production schedules, and robots carry out tasks with a level of speed and precision that would be impossible for human workers alone. The productivity gap. No one expected to truly understand the impact of automation. It helps to imagine two factories producing the same product. In the traditional factory, hundreds or even thousands of workers stand along long assembly lines performing specific tasks. One worker installs a component, another tightens screws, another checks the finished product before passing it to the next station. Supervisors monitor the line, workers take breaks during shifts, and production slows whenever the workforce needs rest. Now imagine stepping into a fully automated factory performing the same task. Instead of hundreds of workers moving along the production floor, robotic arms line the assembly line like an army of tireless technicians. Each robot performs its task with identical precision every time, moving in carefully programmed patterns while sensors confirm that every step is executed perfectly. Autonomous vehicles glide between workstations carrying components exactly where they are needed, while cameras inspect every product with microscopic accuracy. The entire factory operates almost like a giant machine. Production does not pause for shift changes, lunch breaks, or fatigue. Instead, the assembly line continues moving hour after hour, day after day, with only brief pauses for maintenance or system updates. Because robots can work continuously, automated factories often operate 24 hours a day. During the night, when traditional factories might be partially shut down, the machines continue assembling products with the same steady rhythm as during the day. Another major advantage is consistency. Human workers naturally introduce small variations into the production process because fatigue, distraction, or physical limitations can affect performance. Robots, on the other hand, repeat their programmed movements with extraordinary accuracy, ensuring that each product meets the same quality standards. Defects are also reduced because machine vision systems inspect every single product rather than relying on random sampling. Instead of pulling occasional items from the assembly line for inspection, automated factories monitor every stage of production in real time. The result is a manufacturing system that can produce more goods, with fewer errors and at a much faster pace than traditional factories. While human workers still play an essential role in maintaining and programming these systems, the balance of labour has shifted dramatically. The factory floor that once required thousands of assembly workers can now operate with a much smaller team of engineers and technicians, overseeing a highly sophisticated network of machines. How automated factories could reshape global manufacturing. The rise of automated megafactories in China could have far-reaching consequences for the global economy. For decades, companies moved production to countries with lower labour costs in order to keep manufacturing expenses down. Cheap labour became one of the most important factors in deciding where factories were built. But when robots perform most of the work, the equation begins to change. Labour costs become less important, while technology, logistics infrastructure, and engineering expertise become far more valuable. This shift could fundamentally reshape global manufacturing. Countries that invest heavily in robotics, artificial intelligence, and advanced manufacturing technologies may become the new centres of industrial production, while regions that rely primarily on low-cost labour could struggle to compete in an increasingly automated world. China currently holds a strong advantage in this transition because it has invested heavily in both automated manufacturing and the production of industrial robots themselves. Chinese companies are not only building automated factories, but also developing many of the technologies that power them, including robotic systems, AI software platforms, and advanced manufacturing equipment. This could allow China to influence the future direction of global manufacturing in much the same way it dominated traditional manufacturing during the past several decades. Automated factories also make supply chains more flexible and responsive. Because production is controlled by digital systems, factories can quickly adjust output levels when demand changes. If a product suddenly becomes popular, AI-driven manufacturing systems can increase production almost immediately. This responsiveness could reduce shortages, speed up deliveries, and allow companies to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. At the same time, the rise of automation raises important questions about the future of manufacturing jobs around the world. As robots take over more production tasks, workers may need to transition into new roles focused on programming, maintaining, and managing advanced industrial systems. Despite these challenges, one thing is becoming increasingly clear: the factories of the future will look very different from the factories of the past. Instead of noisy assembly lines filled with thousands of workers, the next generation of manufacturing facilities may resemble vast automated ecosystems where machines communicate with each other, production never truly stops, and intelligent systems coordinate every step of the process. And right now, many of the most advanced examples of that future are already operating inside China's fully automated megafactories.